Ubwansu Gusii.
Magoro benki ya yerit korea Ijumaa tariki 13 cy'Omutenyi oikomi omwaka w'2023 anechinga kichingia umwancho murigerere keronkwege na bunari tkorea uri abere ritoherereke gima nanene kwa bere go kwego kya asoko bwatia emiroberi yonse getaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii na manga gendere agebeire ka okorekana mense ya Kenya umwancho murigerere bonekero yaragire Ensa Eyemo yabona mugoroba chinga kinda itego kwariganye ryo kumanye nara yeye kubatira nabasaki baito twago sangireria serit korea rero nago kwariganeria asenchera ere yobwikanu korera nitangan kegimati katranyore gatiare to kwariganerete asenchera ere yobwenge.
I'm optimistic that with close collaboration between the government and manufacturers of health products, Kenya's manufacturing industry will expand its market share in Africa as more opportunities become available.
Omurai wense gotebo kubwaterana we serikali ne chinsemo cyoboroise bw'ebintongo konye gokinie chiro ya Afrika.
Sikubali kutumiwa sana na wanaume wenzetu competitors kuvuruta mwanamke yule mwingine chini ndio asifike pale juu.
Abangi na kobori wakobwaterana soko nyore birogo nabo yogotatumekwa nabasacha soko irani abande magega.
We have come to an agreement that we shall have a reconstitution of the IBC selection panel.
Kamati ya chingwana gati ya serikali na Azimio ikero koigwana wetere chikorio gochora komiti ya kiombe kia IBC. Mwanchi murigereria yo mnaenda mange ngo kwariganira ngumanya senchera ere yobwikirano yekero nkonyero na sense meri ya Facebook nigora tunyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube tunyarwetera Ndizi TV News nabo igaso mutandao Twitter nabo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ere togendere gusanga nabo igo kwemanya manke Petro Mokeira nero koeneke achipicha neryo gicha wekera senchera ya bene na sense mo imenyererio nigo tokubwatrana nere Joshua Auta ere tariane Everline Osero sanga na intwe goika omwerio kokwarigante chaka senchre ya bene korwase county ya Nyamira na kubwatikana nege kore ase umungina oyo mabeteka gosiria ubugima bwaye asenchera yobo tutukanu ase kenyoro kyabo bembe ase kirege kageire buna noborogi yekairera abamenyi korwase chinseme cyo koreta umuntu asoko Rusia ebinte ibakageire ko bibekirororo gose emesira nigo bono abarandi ababere bawe sokya na oteba nigo baretayare ase ogosabera enkeyo eryo kugayana omuchando yo nigo bagikeirege korekyo nagoteba buna nigo gekoirera oko gose ogo kagerana ekyo kerarete ogwatananika ase amate nakoboria abamenyi kurwase chinseme cyo komwegena omonene natari kwegena oborogi muri korwase county ya Nyamira job manki noroboti urwaso bwikiranu.
Abamenyi be county Nyamira nigo basabire gotiga kubwatia amangana arengete oborogi nemesira
obono botako bonene na indo no kuira na nyuma egesa kugitu kyaba Gusii base gusira amarika tukaniringa amangana aya tako babo negesa kukira korebo isata gogesini
kubwatekana na makweri obututukanu yomongina oyomo ekenyoro kyabo bembe ewodi abugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango county Nyamira nigo abamenyi barorekanire gutwara uguichana okonene
Bembe niga tuichane tasenge cyo musibatu yabire gakwirwanirira asiri asara byabyo korosia mamuri emambia ya maniga aringa korosia mamuri engitia ya mega chicha esa korosia mamuri ko kakujita gaswako bimba
ngana irerete korangeliwa kumuraguri abakonye kurusia emesireyo kurende agasaba kibesa kinyingi kubwa ikibabwate bitandirangu n'umugambi w'ensemo eyo
netokanga gento nkere barasaringa kinse so egento kera roneki umunyageta mu amarorere nerwe na motoke ngere kamine yatabwati yo mucyanda kokoro mu ingane ryo muroje ndiri kokoro botuko toywana na botuko ndiri kokoro botuko yago jamugaso akore meremeyo moshudie kero monda isane kenge meremeyo yarire
abamenyi bekenyoro ekukya bobembe imeyabo kichora baboli byo batige kwegena abanyanabi ase okorusia emesira libagalyayo amate anyagosira baliganie amasabo ase okorusia ebinto ebyo
generule bandangeri n'ababasta togenda aroro tosarie mekeyi yebirecha tosaria amangana yechingiti chigocha erinde emekeri nyare gosareka
asense moya ye Bishop Charles Tendu niga bwatukire chinkwana chokolemia ase enkeyo asokwerabuna amasabo niga berega konya abantu ao
omuchio machuriri ati ntwatagurite ebintu imono togaita ebintu byarengo oro byarengi byokwirukia mite yarengo oro abantu bari kungainwa tokarusio byose abantu bakaba no bya bwonsi nande ankiende ankijusi ntwagenda igakemera mahate naro to ebintu byarengo byokwirukia bakachibija cyose ntubwate naro togasaria meke yechingiti nebintu byarengo togasamba abantu banyasaye bakanyoro morembe ogosaba gwitungolinga abantu banyasaye banyoro morembe batiga mangana yuko ngainu okonge eliegere bamubwati nyasaye ekiane roteba nga nabaire chinguru genda moserie bireja genda mubweni amarwaire ntuto tatuara sindani nelinga nelioka togokemea serie taria Yesu muna Yesu atoete chinguru abantu bagwena twaro abantu bagokorera omonene nyasaye
ase bagikeria amangana yo kwegena oborogi nemesira unaniga kwirera obotaka
na mangana nde angabuna yo kurutirana chinche gokore byasara byo borimo ngaba metenerera na chirenche ko yerusiegere abantu bakoye chibesa nemete yo wasaba chibesa bakeche family etarenge gocha etanyare konyora
kolengana na barabwo nigo babolire amate bontokanaine ase omochioyo tibabayisa ukagera muntu nde bwensi koba maiga yegakorwa ekyo ase baganiri batware obolemu ase engaki eye
lakini ntubuna mwanya abantu ntomanye tyo morogi muntu ki tware kubabolie kenyoro keringa tigo morembobe mo kageronde mo ruana mo itana handiri ngana ryo mwari onye mwasinyirwa gotinde kamaremu rangarie kanisa to chagu tolemo boina tomutinde kamaremu inu barimo abate nango kumule genda mutige
ase baganiri batware obolemu ase engaki eye kingo reporteri ya Ndizi TV kurase County Nyamira Job Maangi
Miamono morikeito Job Maangi ase oroboti ururekranu koru ase County ya Nyamira totera nayo ni otoko irana togocha ase County ya Kisii awase aborokiwa bale nobore masti school au bagendrete konyora ogosirwa koru ase abasamaria bayana bayigogo segetwa na kworokiwa obwanjani ase school ya Kisii Vocational Rehabilitation Center ni gaborokiwa baba konyora ogosirwa akwobokonyi bwebintu au asinonya nabo baboriwe gokora chikosi au ejo chirabakonye ase okwegenderia ase amatukari bosio morikeito dipo nasanya namange
asentira ya moyo koroki obwanchani gochia sabantu bamenyatano bare mai meyense ya Kenya abasamaria abaya nigo banyara weso kiana gutarira aborokiwa ba Kisii Vocational Rehabilitation Center elio kubasegeta Ensa mono gutwara oburemeru au
This institution has people of different ages who are able differently and have different challenges. And we felt that today is the day that we are coming here to offer our services so that they are able to feel what other people out there are able to feel. I'm sure they're not able to pay for the services that we offer out there. So today we said that we want to make them feel special, and we dedicated our time today to be here.
Ekiombekio kimanyikanite buna the baba nigo anene babwate ekerenga kyogokonya abantu bali batali kwenyara na koba ogosemeria.
Once in a while we'll be going to different institutions, and ours majorly we are targeting those people who are not able who are able differently, or those people who are challenged, or the less fortunate people. Those are the people that we are targeting to offer our services to.
Omwalimu manere skulu ejo nigagokera omurubirijwe asabarokibwa banyoro bokoreri obwebono burati kubasegeta asamaigeria yabo.
We have hairdressing and beauty therapy in an institution. That's first of all, as if you have gotten an outside service in our institution to expose our students who are doing tailoring and hairdressing and beauty therapy on the real work in the job market outside there. So it's as a result of exposure. As an institution, I can bring a person from outside to mentor them in a given area.
Boigo nigereria mbuya mono gochia saba Samaria kubasira nebinto biri abana bwanene bagenderete gutumika kubatakana nigabange babo bakurwa chinka chitari kwenyara.
Therefore, the provision of the amenities that are required by the student, especially these students are vulnerable. They are not supported very much from the society. They lack a lot. So this kind of like sanitary pads we have gotten, like the tissues we have gotten, like the rice and oil that you have gotten, and all the things that you have gotten as a support. It is very much important for us, and it's going to support our students in one way or the other.
Yinko ripoti ligeta seni kia Ndizi TV elietaria nendi pon asanya.
Miamono murikeito dipona sanya ase oroboti ururikiranu abaibori nigo bagendrete koboriwa weneke abuna nkubarenda bare abana babo cinga kibacirenga aso mutimuko bwerusa ya masomo ane cinga kieciga barange gocenga ayankorengana n'umunyakerugo we sub county ya Musocho Kevin Obiri naye nigaya kuwa na cinga ki abaga kubwata egati aboroki wabakorundia chipigipigi ali bagabo bwenerete gutoka ase chiskuru nigo nonyanabo aruro kuboria gotiase abanyakerugo beti stage jpigp yase chinsemo au kwene kiabuna tibari gwanchera moro kiwende bwensi wesonane ase okorundia chipigipigi na otana aboro kwabonsi bali barachi konyorekana bakwebwata na mwana yo Burundi bwechipigipigi nigo barachi kwimokerwa egetambukiro kibwenerete
ariko batabinga tiskuru boni kanga jiri kofungu twara kwibwanira na bayiboli kaki tiskuru na jiri kofungu kurera abana bayino mbaba sogotoka se pigipigi ekera bono igamusakere umutugo iga erera abentini mono ase ngijerusi etoje baswa ere nene mono
ona abana bange bagweso ya samana buri pigipigi bataramanya yanyale atonya bachiacha ya sikara chetu
chairman chichi stage chichi bingora chabo getutu kabema iso ase nginjo bono igerusi yega toje baswa igere nene mono ki tiunde mwana ode mwenzi taba so stage onye tere testedi ande nyete mwana poda onye isabo nyalganange stage yawo mwana to kirogwe pigipigi kuna bana bagacha gojerusa oikango mukirike tambukiro ayabona ngoranga to sayiko kwa chairman ngo beka isiko ntoro ma chairman yori o materi chiko
nana diga data se the south registration ye pigipigi na abarundia tigo mondo goja se stage sasa rule nyalika nyabo mura baita bange bagokomba chitaoni ya bali ko Burundi ntoko manyanga oyo legorongena rone kaliboronge ene stage mo takora register tikachine report ile kamili kwa sisi kenyorarwete kwa sabagambi tuwaterane tokea ni walifu
Togotigana nayo nigo tokurigereria aria bireka okoreka na isko yorogongo rwa Gusii awasumura ibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto atebire buna okubwatana na serikali ne chinsemo au echio chigotererete oborosia bwebinte bigotumeka ase obobwenya kora konye mono asogokinia echiro ase orogongo rwa Afrika nabo igo koreta amabaga yemeremo gochiase abantabanke okwana chinga kekerana asomusangirikano bugo kwanere igoro oborosia binto gosoy manyikanite buna manufacturing expo uyokorekana asama gacho AKICC memucho Nairobi Ruto nigata buna ekerenga kyaye kenene nokorora Ensa ya Kenya yabereke waka egetambukiro anene ase sector yobubwenya.
I'm optimistic that with close collaboration between the government and manufacturers of health products, Kenya's manufacturing industry will expand its market share in Africa as more opportunities become available as a result of both COMESA, EAC, SADC combined into tripartite treaty agreement, and also the expanded Africa Continental Free Trade Area. It will be my responsibility to you to make sure that we not only make it possible for you to invest in and thrive in Kenya, but to also tap into the opportunities that come with the expanded market into EAC, into COMESA, tripartite space between SADC, COMESA, and EAC, and onto the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. Previous efforts have not had a significant impact, and farmer imports continue to grow faster than exports, with the country importing over 70% of the total value of its pharmaceutical needs annually. Indeed, the government is aware that local manufacturing requires significant support to compete with a highly competitive multi-billion-dollar global pharmaceutical market. Statistics indicate that Africa's pharmaceutical industry is growing rapidly.
Tinga kiachibo igo rutoni gateba mnanigo serikali erachikobeka ensemo amarimo ayo aratumika sobwa gachiwe chinyumba chia mariogo iriko konya ase okugareya chichiro nigo boigateba namba chego konya ase okorwali bagario borosia bwebinto bebowenia ase obwange nabantu nagosira omoroberio bwobotuki ase okobwatoka chibesa gochiase chiskuru.
The government will also set aside infrastructure, including land. In fact, we are in the process of identifying the former land that belonged to Del Monte in Murang'a. I have discussed with the county government of Murang'a. They have set aside 500 acres for a special economic zone, 200 of which will be made specifically for pharmaceutical companies. This will be land that will be made available with some measure of good infrastructure and an ecosystem of policies and fiscal incentives to ensure that you can set up camp easily and be able to access not just the local market, but provide avenues for you to access the international market as well. And to ensure maximum impact, the government will provide guidance on the priority products to be manufactured within the villages in line with the implementation of the Universal Health Coverage Essential Benefits Package. We will strengthen research, development, and innovation by increasing financing for clinical trials at the Kenya Medical Research Institute right here in Kenya. This will boost research and commercialization of health products and technologies through Biovacs, and I see the MD is right here, limited, and contract manufacturing opportunities with local.
Omusangirekano monene bwabarai abangina bekyama kya UDN gokorekana nitkoria rero asensemo ya bomasime yomochi o Nairobi awase abarai abangina korwase kyamekyo kya UDA egatia abarai bande baba wekirana aso musangirikano yo ase kirenga kyogo kwanera ali bagari yabasbati ase oburai okwana somo yego yo mokonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigaba kerambia bari abonsi banyoreri bagari oburai nakubaga niago chamo bunabangina na kubwatrana eliyo kwenyorera libaga risaine nigateba buna serikali ya Kenya kwanza inseyoboraiwa ya Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo yerwe tekegima ase ogosira abasbati nabo igo abana abanyaruka asaganirie abasbati gotumeka libagero bya
wamama mmepatiwa nafasi. It is upon you to make sure that you prove to your fellow women and to the men counterparts ya kwamba mnaweza ongoza. Hii uchaguzi wa chama ukija, wacha nieleze nyinyi. Nyinyi mkitaka hivi vitu mtachukua yote. The women are the majority. Bora muache ile maneno kidogo ya wivu ya mama na wamama. Si hiyo iko ukweli? Si unajua mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli. Tukiwacha hiyo maneno, huyu mama amevaa vizuri, kiatu yake, hiyo mambo dogo. Muungane. Hizi viti mkiamua, mnaweza fieka yo. Lakini naomba kwa heshima ile ya rais na yangu mtuachie. Hiyo mtuachie for now. The Ruto administration is keen on the empowerment of the Kenyan woman. Access to education for our girls. The provision of sanitary towels and other facilities to dignify the girl child. The issue of FGM and early child marriages and defilement and other sexual offenses against women. We are very concerned. Na tumesema pale katika police station zetu. We are having a desk manned by a woman police officer to receive complaints from women on offenses committed against them so that they feel free to report. Again, access to business. The Hustler Fund. The women are the majority who are taking this fund. Again, the second phase, ile between 50,000 and 1 million shillings. Akina mama tayari mumejipanga kwa vikundi za chama. Please take advantage of the Hustler Fund.
Gukwana chinga kiecho nigo abaraya babangina hagati yabo mugavana bwe county ya Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru Aisha Jumwa esio kenyuri hagati yabande baba bagukwanera uwesokia kwabangina nako asokorwanira ebirogo au byoborayi okobwatirana nabo igogosirana nigo bayigo batoya okobwatsiwa kwabarayi bande korwasekia makia UDA hagati yabo murayi wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto amono mokonyo ye Rigathi Gachagua nigo bateba nago ikababe bako watrana nawe wesokia asokorwanira ebirogo au byoborayi.
Lazima kina mama washikane kama mnataka hivi viti muzipate. Tusikubali kutumiwa sana na wanaume wenzetu competitors kuvuruta mwanamke yule mwingine chini ndio asifike pale juu.
Hivyo ile nafasi ambayo umepatiwa hata kama ni ndogo, tusiseme maneno ya resources. Of course tunatetea maneno ya resources, lakini go out of your way, tengeneza impact kwa ile capacity ambayo uko nayo. Tutengeneze jina ya UDA. Jina ya UDA ni sisi tufanye kazi, tuenue jina ya rais wetu.
Asante sana kwa sababu akina dada na akina mama hao walikuwa wanatumia hela zao kujituma kwenye mikutano. Na tunashukuru chama cha UDA kikiongozwa na Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kutupa nafasi hiyo.
Tumesema kwa kukubaliana kwa sauti moja ya kwamba kina mama ni lazima tujitose katika uchaguzi huu.
Mama, nataka niwaambie, rais alikuwa mwaminifu pamoja na naibu wake. Kabla hata hawajaweza kuwa rais na naibu, walisaidia wale kina mama wote waliosimama viti, mimi nikiwa mmoja wao. Naibu wa rais alinibeba kama msichana wake nikitafuta ugavana na hawa wenzangu wote. Na leo imethibitika wazi kwamba tuna watu wawili ambao wanajali maslahi ya kina mama. Na leo tuko na magavana wale wote 7, lakini 4 wanatoka katika chama kimoja, chama cha UDA. Na 2027 God willing, nyinyi kina mama mkisimama, sisi tuko kuwasukuma na hawa wako kuwasukuma, na nataka niwahakikishie hawawezi kutuachilia. Jambo moja nataka niwaambie, msiwe waoga.
Kamati yetenerete chingwana hagati ya serikali nensemerie kwamereria serikali nigo yeikereire okoiwana ko gukora maunchorero ase kiombe ky'abachori ne chimbebe IEBC okwana chinga kiecho nigo abana kamati abo bakorawa na Opio Wandayi bateire buna kamati eyo gose kamati era chigochorwa ne chigochorwa boya iyo rabege gotinira ogochorwa kwa bakamishona bekiombe kyo kya IEBC nigo batebire buna enamba yabana kamati yabo nigera chikomenta korwa batanu na babere go ikakianda unenchira yamo yogo ikirania amaganyo nabayigo ebirengerero korwa se ebyombe au nonya naboni go baganirie commentwa amatuko 30 erego ikirania emerubiro yabo.
We have come to an agreement that we shall have a reconstitution of the IBC selection panel. And in this reconstitution, the membership of the IBC selection panel is going to increase from the present 7 to 9, of course, encompassing various shades of opinion and interest groups and persons.
We've agreed that we develop a framework on the audit of the electoral process. That is going to be done in the next 2 weeks. And then we will be going into a retreat from the 23rd of this month up to the end of that week, in which retreat we hope that we'll be able to clear on all the issues and come up with a report that we can then present to the relevant persons.
Omorandia we kanisa ya New Life Ezekiel Odero ritkoria rero nigo abaka wikabusyo we committee ye Senate ase okoiraniria mabori kobwatikana nege kore kia shakahola okwana chinga kiechyo Ezekiel niga abaka gokana okobwatirana kwoboiti no Morandia Mackenzie ase ensemo ya shakahola ase keria nonyana bwabaga kwerera igoro yobotumeki wenibo eyo akonyora ase kanisa.
Before our election, even a preacher from outside Kenya came and he put on the flag of Kenya and he said, this will become the president of Kenya. So when we handle this, sobriety and carefulness, what is the political environment of this country so that we don't ban the country tomorrow? That's what we require. You attended the burials of Shakahola victims, not from, okay? And Honorable Senator, a good senator in our country, and I thank God for his contribution, immense contribution towards the development of our country and the governance. Saying it is presumed the attendance, your attendance to those burials, I've put it clear, I've never attended. Yes. And when we talk about this boy, Mangi, if Mangi said, Chair, Pastor Ezekiel presided over the burial of my father, because when that person was dying and being buried and he said Pastor Ezekiel presided, Mangi was there. Mangi was a witness. Mangi has never talked about Pastor Ezekiel.
Tingaki ya mariganyo yogo chengera ritko ria mashuja elio rikagero chengera chitariki meronkebere chomutinyo Eyemo county ya Kericho nigaba na jeshi korwa senseme yoko bwatrana naba obisa korwa serikali ritko ria rero batwara umurobero bwo smeki emete asbaba gosmeka emete Eyemo nechimisano aseskuru ya maigerio yobwarimu ya Kericho gati aba obisa baba kora umurobero yonga mono waziri webintu byetana ni mwanyabanta se county ya Kericho Rosemary Rob amono waziri Wendemero Brian Lagat awasobwamo bagania abananchi wesokia na kobwatrana ase obosmeki wemete unenchira Eyemo yogo ikirania omurobero bwe serikali bogosmeka emete chibilioni 15 nabo igogo konya ase ogotanga emechando ao eyo yakoretwa kobwatkana nogonchoreria kwerire.
For the discipline forces, as you are aware, we are doing our best to conserve our environment so that we have a better environment.
This year we're planting 4 million trees. So today the trees that we're planting, the 1,500, is a step in the right direction.
We are planting this for our children, just like our forefathers planted this for us. So let's not let down the generations that will come.
Omugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo niga mochire serikali na boigo ekiombe kirietenerete chindemero imense ya Kenya ase ogokondisha oburemo bwa yala Delta na otayabuna nigo yaberege koreta obotutukanu anendekero oburemo burachugotenerwa nech county bere nabono nigo baganirie amaunchirerio gokorekana kubwatkana n'oburemo bwo.
Today we have launched the Siaya County Physical and Land Use Plan for the years 2023 to 2033. This is going to be a master plan for development in the county And as you know, we got other related documentation or documents like the CIDP, the County Integrated Development Plan, and other related plans, which we are going to use together with our manifesto to push Siaya forward. I'm happy about our cooperation with Busia County. We now have an approved Yala Delta land use plan that we share as two neighboring counties, and it's going to be useful for the two counties in managing development within the Yala Delta.
Nekero chinsemo ao chigendrete kuyariga bosibwembura enyinge ya El Nino nigo mugavana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti abereka otabuna county eyo nigo babere bakubwatrana nebyombe ao ase okubeka emeroberio emekirano manani gabereka go kwanera chinsemo ao ekyo kikageire koreta gotse gutwara omuchando munene kubwatkana nembureyo na goterana nigo bagendrete nemeroberio yo koenekia muna monomba kubwatrana serikali ase okorigereria Nsemecho elio gutanga amabe yembre ya El Nino.
Kuna committee ile tumeform through county commissioner na mimi kuhakikisha county government na national government wanafanya kazi wote pamoja kuhakikisha in case tuko na emergency wakati wa El Nino sisi wote we are in sync and we are working together as a team. Ndio natuona sisi zote hapa leo ilikuwa tu drill ya kuangalia tumejiprepare aje, yeah? Na kwa kweli mimi nimeona we are well prepared as the people of Machakos County, na hata services zetu sio za kupatiana tu Machakos County peke yake. Tunaweza kupatiana, we have trained our people through Malteser International to world standards. Mali hata tunaweza kuitwa hata nchi nyingine. Tunaenda tunasaidia watu. Tunaweza kuwa na shida wakati huu. The areas ni Athi River, along Athi River Basin, Kasuito Village, Jam City, Kenanie, kwa Mangeli, Kanaani slums, Kicheko slums, Kilili slums, kwa Machakos sub-county tuko na Inyoni River, Mutituni, Miwani, Mwanza Basin, Miwongo River Basin, Muvuti along Kimakimwe, tuko Inyata, tuko na entire stretch of the Athi Basin. Hiyo ni area ingine we need to be very alert. Wakati huu pengine ni Masinga sub-county along and on shores of Masinga Dam and the environs. That's why we also work to have
Omwanchi muri bonekero twanyororo boti urkurwase county ya Machakos ndaitengoira sensemo ya kabere ya studio eritomanyorende mo Stephen atumanyabuna nara yaya atwariganira tukorwa sensemo ye chigosori tobase guskare.
Bia mone valino Osero kurwa nsemo ya studio eti avono kwali vene kuraiga nsemo ya studio bia samangana Amayia ye chigo soli buna butambe chira nende mo Steven Captain 001 Tota kamangana Amayia ye chigo soli kurwa segetigia Sameta Grounds avo ase timu ya Shabana FC kene tutwara chigo soli chake vo saria segen chomo timokomo kora ase ligi ya FKF Premier League avo ase litkure kurwa nteko bako soli amone timu ya Gucha Stars etime kosera ase ligi ya FKF Division 2 na ase gosori yu ligo magosori Justin Omwando Masai nyante kaba kubunga chigoli sato amona Peter Ogechi kubunge goli ya kane okonye timu ya Shabana FC kubuya gosori yake Vosani chigoli nye ase goli ya Eyemo.
Ando ya karibu mosio menanga yote ni
Kwa majina naitwa John Nyamira, coach Gusii Stars. Gusii Stars, we have played a very nice friendly match today, and I've seen my boys are improving. So we are now on the process of rebuilding our team. I'm on with the friendlies and I'm prepared well to face those Div 2 that we are going to start on 22nd here at the Tendere ground. I'm hope my boys will work very well. We are arranging and we are well prepared. I thank you all and I wish all the fans and well wishers to come in so that they can assist us in one way or the other.
Korwa segetik ya Summit Grounds tuende semo ya Kenya Grounds abwa team ya Bomachoge Burabu FC kende tegotwara monchori our team ya kunyara kobaki waiting ya wasipo gochaka kwa ligi ya FKF Division 2 iligi team ya Bomachoge Burabu nyara kobaki gotirigu na gati ya monchori ayuna amona Andrew Kanuli yo kaveire ekocha kwa team ya Shabana FC ngakia Eyemo akabe kocha kwa team ya Mwatate United asinga kiende gatechi team chinde Ensa ya Kenya na rekobaga gosoa ase team ya Bomachoge Burabu FC konyara kobaga tia bali baraba sensemeli yo bworokia ase team eyo wasiwa marigania ya ase ligi ya FKF Division 2.
Naitwa coach Kanuli Andrew, former coach Shabana Football Club. Nafurahi kujiunga na timu ya Bomachoge Burabu. Manake si mara yangu ya kwanza kwa Kisii. Hii ni experience yangu mara ya pili. Mara ya kwanza nilikuwa na Shabana. Hivi sasa niko na hii timu ya Bomachoge Burabu. Mimi si mgeni katika hii kiwanja. Manake nakumbuka 2017, 2018 Shabana tulicheza baadhi ya mechi zetu hapa. So ni furaha kwangu manake inanipa changamoto sababu ni mara yangu ya kwanza kwa kwenye Division 2 League na azimio ya Bomachoge Burabu ni waweze kuwa katika Division 1 kufikia mwisho wa msimu huu. So hiyo ndio target yetu na tumeweka target ya 55 points out of the possible 60. So tuna work towards hiyo. Nafurahi sana wachezaji ambao nimewapata hapa. Manake wengi wao wamekuwa na hii timu kwa muda mrefu, miaka miwili, miaka mitatu. Na the kind of football ambayo nataka wacheze, wana adapt very fast. For the 1 week that I've been here, nimeona good progress and I'm sure moving forward wataweza kuona the brand of football that I want for my team to play. Sababu wana adapt haraka. Ni kitu ambayo ningeaji tu mashabiki wa Bomachoge Burabu wajitokeze kwa wingi wakaweze kusupport hii team. Manake mashabiki ndio nguvu ya team. So na waaj tu wajitokeze on Sunday kule Maru tunapocheza na Small Simba. Waweze kutupa support na tunawaahidi ushindi.
Wasio wecho sorry chiro veria se ligi ya FKF Division turanya kwa bake gochaka se weekend yeye na se timu ya Bomachoge Burabu FC ranya kwa bake kwenda wikachinsa ya mochi ya Maro South Mogirango asfaranya kwa bake ngwa mone timu ya Small Simba FC abastu asanga no morokyo mone bwe timu ya Bomachoge Steve Biko werabuna mbama ite timu ya Small Simba kivoikirano na mbero bereti kivoikirano kwena kibuna se gosori yeyu bari kiro wibwa botangani ase ligi ya FKF Division 2.
Small Simba gere timu ya Vera se ligi ya aka season area ntumbo no togotira gocha Div 2 bono litanga lito twikirororo so twabere twakora mazoezi wiki yengima yo last week yengima ntumanya tenga ntobwate ega si kusengenjo maro abwega tuarenge na bwenga keria regional Small Simba ebarenge opponents bare ko toy challenge sana lakini round ye bagatanga kero engiti ya korumire koko tajana onye no mugoyo no kwenda okonyara gwastukire round ye ntwe bangete buya ntotagetie kogenda nande kero kende tojiko ko lose ekero toko da Small Simba bere league ye so mbanye manyete buya mono intungo genda tororo twebangire tactically twebekera ni buya tuasomire twaligere ringa system ki ose formation kiba Small Simba banje gutumeka so twebangire buya na bwa kero tote kogenda oro na kitware ko promise amashabiki yeito ndori kogenda obusa Ritote kogenda ororo twende kurusia bubui ase timu ya Small Simba. Na ando bubui obwo ekaro twabwakire na bora tokonye ligi eye nimepira ere gochimotwe egere tochikunyaka buya. Kegera umupira uri mutage kama ukirio kubeka. Na kige okwanga nkige kubwatu chimaega.
Mosocho veterans ose mosocho veto buna bakwero kaneti mekoletamo abwatani abakoro bechigosori mono kuruchinsemo chia kitutu chache south ensemo ya mosocho bakosori chigosori kujara kwinyoria imiaka yabe mekore kunyara kwa bakogosori ritukoli anke mabwate chigosori au chiro veria sensemo ya Nyamatuta grounds gati yabo nasabara gosori amone timu ya Gesavakwa amone timu ya Mayaka FC ya swase eligi ya Nyanza Regional League na James Ayenda no moroke mone timu ya Mosocho Vetos.
Mbia mwana sema leta na James Ayenda nje coach ya Mosocho Vetos ya timu ya Bagaka ya Mosocho. Nale ko baralelianga ase kero kya mambia tubwate nko ya liga tikenya Matuta muna Bagaka kwinyoria miaka itatu ya maega twagakire tara twakebiro nsunande ntororo igosa abantu bonsi be wa rogongo rwa Gusii twabakarabisha so goje tikenya Matuta muchakare nko ye gwa kworo ya Bagaka ese chairman ntobwate chairman mwalimu ko gucho sayo nkoba no mwalimu ale asandonsi asale nabo ali kinsa mujanya libali nabago sabali bagaba lero nchumale nabasa mambege gotuka ro mambire tukubwate twarabira matukanga chwikia ngebe tanyakomerana lakini mambia tema tomerane asetige iteganya Matuta chinsa ninye igoro mambia chinsa nye tubwate timu ko Gesavakwa FC arafu niende kuruma yake FC asengeje miaka yasuke sanga timu ya Bagaka itoje twanya ko refresh ya mebere talikende kero ase tukaliguranda ka kombe gino ko refresh ya mebere twakora masoesi marakana nyambuka nyaro mobero gusuira gusu kwa ragera na korara sinjona kende gyo tojo watu akore bonus
gi ya National Super League NSL chigosori aonchiro veria se weekend na gati yabo ngati ya timu ya Kajiado FC abana kwa bakwariga ni timu ya Gusii FC asegeti kyabo gianka egeti gianka timu ya Kajiado FC kemekere na Ildamat grounds na se gosori yo nego timu ya Gusii FC era denge kwanekia ububibwa bwa gatatu ase eligi yumega yechigosori sano abwase wiki yaeta ni timu ya Gusii FC bana kwa bakogosori amone timu ya Dimba Patriots egosori bana kwa bakobwa egoria ya masivosa na ase weekend elitukoria Jumapili banyare korra gusembanyare kwa bakulikyo buliki wabo obubwibwabo bwa gatatu gakibaranyare kwa bakogene ku ne timu ya Kajiado FC. Tagotia nama narengete gosoli yo ndake nyimatoranya kiro musumari korwa igasensemo ya chigosoli bindona utembibire byoka ase tragana togendere ko batogosabera chinse chinsemo chiri chia Palestine amonense ya Israel abatu kungusa no gotindi chinsabune chigana chisegi chintindi nyarabuna ndake kerige ko bunu mono nase abwatani korwensemo ya Hamas abare ababikurwensemo ya Hamas ase weekend nyara ko bakegweta banyarite ko bakoro busagani ase Ensa ya Israel magayo busagani obubwa kurwensemo ya Hamas abara bwatani bensemo ya Palestine okoro busagani ase ensemo eri ya Israel nero ekora uno prime minister wa moneno makere una Benjamin Netanyahu wakati awono esegiyebwe gati ya Israel konyara ko bagikoiranereria ensemeri ya Hamas chinsemo chiri cha Palestine na chabira chisegi chintindi ase wiki engima astorolire ubusagani obutindi mono chinsemo chiri cha Gaza ensemo ya Palestine sabagendete ko bakungusanana binge bakobuna nta sange bone tare ko batogokura korende mono na batani bari ba Palestine bakora buna ense ya Israel n'abantu baruti kurwa sangao bakaita buko ba ensemo ya Palestine bakaye wense yabo na nyarabona umwaka 1948 na Israel baetu ense ese bale bonera libaetu libagero lyabe no mwaka 1948 korumaega mbare ngorro ese bale bono nense mu spiaring ya Palestine abo abange abo bale nense miria abarabu na abanga bale nense miria obo Islam korende ense ya Israel abange babo bale nense miria obo Islam mono korende edini ya Judaism nengane tutakwane bono tusankorende kitogo saba mono mambo nembe ko bagati chinsemo chichonsi chinsemo chia Hamas chinsemo ya Gaza chinsemo ya Palestine amonense ya Israel korende totera kwa samana ngite chisigi amangana ringita makweli asomoga no rero twagwata makweli mate amakweli ngorangiria ari umuntu bono amakweli agachira umuntu uri aganeire korangirira tukerio oro liamo amo aikiro umuntu agamutevi rero mbiamono rero naye nacheire nchina amakweli naye nacheire nkoire umuntu agateba akisaba ntoponsi ninje kwarora makweli agamutevi nche nimbate list yane nkobwati nkorangirika lituko umuntu oyo umuntu osira na rero se list yane nayo uri igoro ese litiko lya rero nakinagocheire ronde riryo muntu lyatebe uri ndakiyogosa nakamanyara makuri gakurangeiri goikoitave sinja gocheire tubwati nguru chinde cyonse bana kanya agatebya makweli buna beyamuno kwangicheire ninje ndego ne list yo kubwati sawa ndo okora kiyoka nje tindakana nimbwate chaiga ngokoroseri katunywe chayeye tokore turagererio mweli nje so arongire nje amakoni nje naitabirongira so oranyale ko bagokongira bagaisaransa bakanywe chaye ono muntu agateba umuntu gese ne list yako bwati ninje neri igorese list yeyu yenda nkorate akabeke liogao liokurara ase chaeli amakweli akarara bya makweli arara akaenda kalige karamu akaruseli etali ayako ruigorali sa ikirese litukelio akalika insepi linda makweli yakubaka mutebye kwarabo be nande somango bya ningikeli kirali agachenji bya chenjiri amakweli akarara amakweli akavuka kira makweli avoka tabambu ya mono sana aino muntu mya sana echaye kwangane ngia yalinge sana na nyanchire sana nakoba kwa biro muntu mya egento giankwaneire yante ribona seliste ya nabwate nkwabere singacho wika mbwate list bunere onolika ngo chakira igoro tiganchakire kurunse na uramenya akerende ona makweli wekale kuri list iri ayabwate arigererinse kandi muntu oyo na rustire te ayako ruigoro akayebeka inse na ndama kweli akamuikire kyabeta timaite korende koro kora kwara aligeri buya tumanya ninki kirabe ko ndabuno to ikiro mweli korwensemo yemesa yechigoso rekoraga chinza sato tosanga ya mona yande konde bona kweli nsemo ya studio Everline Osero ate mana ringeta makweli na kelitorarore yekoraga chinza isato
Biamano ndemo Stefinase amangana yama ya kigima kurwa sensemo ye chigosori na boigo obo seme obo kwabere goko bwatoka obu ya kigima mancho murigeri wekiraga igano tokobutorera amangana maya yensema senchira ere yobwikiranu korende chikoraga chinsa isato no chikonyora ya munaenda mange asenchira ere yobwikiranu sensemo ya Facebook tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asumutanda Twitter na bogo twetra @Ndizi TV News ere togendere gusanga na boigo kwemanya mange Petro Mokeira nero ine kiachibicha neriogi chiago ikeire asensemo imanyerero twagwatirana nere Auta ire teriane Everline Osero twaro buligere burobia